How about listing all the predicates defined in the graph and that apply to the different types of things? How can we code a query for that purpose? Well, we just need to add an extra pattern to match against, which is S is of type T. We're going to group by T and P, specify T in the select clause, and order by ascending T and ascending P. Execute the query and very nice, we've got back all the predicates applicable to Looney Tunes character, all the ones for person and all the ones for short. Smashing, we're loving this. However, we've got a slight limitation here. We can't quite tell the difference between the predicates that associate literal values from the ones that link to IRIs. Let's therefore see if there's a way to distinguish the predicates. One approach to making this distinction is to run a test. Remember the idea of using bind with coalesce and if? Here's a very good use case for it. Effectively, we want to check whether in the object position, so for the variable O, we have an IRI. I'm just going to copy and paste the extra part of the query we need. Saves me from typing. So here we go. We've got bind, we've got coalesce, and our if condition. We're using a special function called isIRI to check if the variable O is an IRI. If true, return p-type as resource predicate. If false, then it's a literal predicate. Let's add p-type in the select clause, and we're going to group by p-type as well. Hit execute, et voila! We've got a very clear distinction of the predicates used to associate IRIs from the ones used to assign literal values. Amazing stuff! With this setup, you can always come back to your graph vocabulary at any time to inspect the types of things, the predicates defined for each type of thing, as well as the type of predicate in question.